Ever feel like your business data lives in two separate worlds? You're meticulously tracking every invoice and expense in QuickBooks, while your sales team is diligently nurturing leads and closing deals in your CRM. But what if these two powerful tools could actually talk to each other? That's the big question we're tackling today. Does QuickBooks integrate with CRM software? If you're nodding along, maybe even muttering a hopeful "please say yes," you're in the right place. Because the truth is, in today's fast-paced business environment, having your financial and customer data synchronized isn't just a nice-to-have. It's often a crucial key to efficiency, better decision-making, and ultimately, business growth. Think about it for a second. Without integration, you're likely dealing with manual data entry. Imagine your sales team closing a big deal. Fantastic news, right? But then someone has to manually create that customer in QuickBooks, input the relevant product or service details, and generate an invoice. This process is not only time-consuming and prone to errors, but it also creates a lag between your sales efforts and your financial records. This delay can impact your cash flow forecasting, your understanding of customer profitability, and even your ability to provide timely and accurate customer service. On the flip side, imagine the power of having these systems seamlessly connected. When a deal closes in your CRM, the customer information automatically flows into QuickBooks. Invoices can be generated directly from the CRM, pulling in the correct product details and pricing. Payment statuses in QuickBooks can update the customer record in your CRM, giving your sales and support teams a real-time view of the customer's financial standing. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? So, let's get back to our main question. The short answer is yes, absolutely. QuickBooks offers integrations with a wide variety of CRM software. However, like with most things in the tech world, the how and the what exactly can vary depending on a few factors. Firstly, it depends on the specific QuickBooks product you're using. QuickBooks Online, with its cloud-based nature and open API, application programming interface, generally offers more readily available and often more robust integrations compared to older QuickBooks desktop versions. While some desktop versions do offer integration capabilities, they might require additional connectors or third-party tools. Secondly, the level and type of integration can differ significantly between various CRM platforms. Some CRMs offer native integrations with QuickBooks, meaning the connection is built directly into both software platforms. This often provides a seamless and well-supported experience. Popular CRM systems like HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho CRM, and Pipedrive frequently offer such native integrations with QuickBooks Online. Other CRMs might rely on third-party integration platforms or middleware to connect with QuickBooks. These platforms act as a bridge, allowing data to flow between the two systems. While this can expand the range of compatible CRMs, it's important to consider the reliability, cost, and setup complexity of these third-party solutions. So, what kind of data can you typically expect to be synchronized between QuickBooks and a CRM? Here are some common examples. Customer data. This is often the most fundamental aspect of the integration. New customers created in either system can automatically be created in the other, ensuring consistent contact information across both platforms. Updates to customer details, like address changes or phone numbers, can also be synchronized. Product and service information. If you sell products or services, integrating your item lists between QuickBooks and your CRM can save significant time and reduce errors. When a sales rep adds a product to a deal in the CRM, the correct item description and pricing from QuickBooks can be automatically pulled in. Invoice data. This is where the magic truly happens for many businesses. Closed deals in the CRM can trigger the automatic creation of invoices in QuickBooks. Information like line items, quantities, discounts, and taxes can be transferred seamlessly. Furthermore, payment statuses recorded in QuickBooks can update the corresponding invoice or deal in the CRM. Sales order data. In some integrations, sales orders created in the CRM can be pushed into QuickBooks, providing a clear link between the sales process and your accounting records. Payment information. Some advanced integrations might even allow payment information recorded in QuickBooks to update the customer's financial history within the CRM, giving your sales and support teams valuable insights. Now, you might be wondering about the benefits of setting up this integration. We've touched on some already, but let's dive a little deeper. Increased efficiency. Automating data entry eliminates manual work, freeing up your team to focus on more strategic tasks like selling and providing excellent customer service. Reduced errors. Human error is inevitable with manual data entry. Integration minimizes these errors, leading to more accurate financial records and a more reliable view of your business performance. Improved data visibility. Having a unified view of customer interactions and financial transactions provides a more holistic understanding of your business. Sales teams can see a customer's payment history, while finance can track the progress of deals in the pipeline. Better forecasting. With real-time financial data linked to your sales activities, you can generate more accurate sales and revenue forecasts. Enhanced customer experience. When your teams have a complete picture of the customer relationship, from initial contact to payment history, they can provide more personalized and efficient service. Streamlined reporting. Integration allows you to generate comprehensive reports that combine sales and financial data, providing deeper insights into customer profitability, sales performance, and overall business health. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.